We all want to be seen positively, right? But sometimes our brains play tricks on us. Meet the self-serving bias, a sneaky cognitive trick that makes us take credit for the good stuff and blame the bad stuff on anything but ourselves. Imagine you nail a big presentation at work. You might say, "My preparation was flawless. I knew I could crush it." But if you receive critical feedback, suddenly, the audience was unengaged, the projector was malfunctioning, or your colleagues were just jealous. We do this to protect our self-esteem. It's like a built-in shield against feeling rejected or incompetent. But here's the catch. This bias can hold us back. We don't learn from constructive criticism, and we might keep making the same mistakes in our work or relationships. Imagine staying stuck in a dead-end job because you never take responsibility for your career development. Yikes. Don't worry, there's hope. Here are some tips. Catch yourself. Notice when you're blaming external factors for negative feedback. Ask why. Why are you doing this? Is it helping you improve? Imagine the future. See where the self-serving bias leads. Now imagine accepting feedback and learning from it. Focus on solutions. Don't dwell on the past. Find ways to improve your skills and approach. Forgive yourself. Everyone makes mistakes. Learn from them and move on. Remember, you have the power to change your thinking. Embrace feedback, learn from your experiences, and watch yourself grow. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your experiences with the self-serving bias? Subscribe for more videos like this.